Welcome to the Documoto Application Suite Overview. In this video, we'll be discussing how to extract information from legacy content such as PDFs. This video will show you how to extract the bill of material tables from the source PDF using two methods available in Adobe Acrobat, as well as the best practice for taking a snapshot of the diagram. For this example, we will use the RT175 Cabside Windows option page. Let's begin with Adobe, viewing the PDF diagram page that we'll extract at the end of this video. If we scroll to the next page, we see the applicable bill of material that we will extract into an Excel file. This bill of materials is broken up into two sections and has two notes beneath the bill of materials that will be added as remarks tags in DocuStudio. To start, we'll use the Copy with Formatting feature found in Adobe Pro. We highlight the first section of the bill of materials, right-click, and select Copy with Formatting. Then, if we open up Excel, clear this out, and select the A1 cell, we can paste in this value. You can see as we pasted the first part of the table, it retained the formatting from the PDF. Next, if we jump back to Adobe, for the second part of the table, we'll use another option of extraction that typically takes a little more work and possibly some cleanup. For Macs, hold Option and select the first column. Copy, go back to Excel, and paste in. If you're using a Windows computer, this will be the Alt key. We'll paste in the part number, go back to Adobe, select the name, copy, and finally we'll grab the quantity column as well. Next, we'll grab the note represented by a single asterisk and place them in the E column of the Excel file for each row that has a single asterisk in the part description. Then we'll grab the note for the double asterisks on each part description and apply those as well. Now that we have the BOM fully extracted and the notes in place, the next step is to take a snapshot of the diagram from the previous page. We'll scroll back up and select the Screenshot tool and start dragging a bounding box around the diagram, leaving a little bit of white space around the image. Once we have the image highlighted, the best practice is to zoom to 200% before copying, either Command-C or Control-C depending on your computer. This will give you the best quality of image once it's been uploaded to Documoto. While this video is just an overview of extracting legacy content, we have supporting articles and videos that will explain these features in further detail. Thank you for watching.